Success is the capacity to lead the life you desire, doing what you find most enjoyable while surrounded by others you admire and respect. Success comes from knowing that you gave it your all in order to perform as well as you possibly could. You must first define success for yourself in order to achieve it. Success doesn't follow any particular path. For instance, it doesn't matter who you were in the past. What matters is who you are now. The finest path to success is anything but a straight one. It contains many thrilling turns and occasionally turns in a person's life. Not everyone is creative from birth. Some people have a major deficiency where they think, I'll be that one day. The moment isn't right. I can't do it. The key element that converts sound reasoning into prompt action is motivation. It converts a good idea into a company and has a positive impact on the world. Success has a significant impact on a person's life. We must understand that neither success nor failure is definitive or a dead end. Rather, it is the fortitude to move on that counts. The key to success in life is having the bravery and tenacity to persevere with your ambitions. Success takes time to achieve because it is not something that can be done overnight. We must have faith that putting forth effort will yield fruitful results.